Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add icons in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and first things first is that we're going to add a page because we're going to add an icon to it. So we're going to click on this button, and then we're going to have a new page. And then from here, to add an icon, you can just click on the add icon button right here. Click on that, and then you would have some options. So you have the emojis options. You can go add some icons provided by Notion, or you could go for a custom one. You can paste a link right here. For example, you want to go to one of that notion.vif/icons, and then you can copy software icons right here. So for example, you would want a banner, then click on copy, and then you would be able to paste it right here, and you would be able to click on submit, and then it should be right here. But in this case, let's just go for an emoji, maybe something like this, right there. So now we have successfully added an icon. So for those of you who are wondering on how you can add an icon before a header, is that you have a lot of options for this. So you can just go and link an image, or you can just paste an image right here of your icon or whatsoever. Yeah, that is the only way that you can do it right here in Notion. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.